Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between lush green hills and flowing river, there lived a wise old Zen master named Hiroshi. Hiroshi was known far and wide for his profound wisdom and calm demeanor. People from all over came to seek his guidance on various life matters. In the same village, there lived a young man named Kinji. Kinji was hardworking and ambitious, but often found himself unhappy and unfulfilled. He spent too much time comparing his life to that of his friends and neighbors. If someone bought a new house, Kinji wanted a bigger one. If someone got a promotion, Kinji felt he deserved one too. This constant comparison led to frustration and a sense of inadequacy. One day, feeling particularly troubled by his thoughts, Kinji visited Master Hiroshi. He hoped the wise master could help him find some peace and satisfaction. Kinji walked up the winding path to Hiroshi's small, humble hut and knocked on the door. The master welcomed him warmly and invited him to sit by the fireplace. Master Hiroshi, Kinji began, I worked hard and tried to achieve my goals, but I always feel like I am falling short. I can't help but compare myself to others, which makes me unhappy. How can I find peace and contentment? Master Hiroshi listened patiently, nodding as Kinji spoke. After silence, he stood up and motioned for Kinji to follow him. They walked through the village to the edge of a large pond. The pond's surface was still and reflected the clear blue sky above. Kinji, the master said, look at the pond. What do you see? Kinji gazed at the tranquil water. I see a clear reflection of the sky and the trees around it, he replied. Hiroshi picked up a small pebble and tossed it into the pond. Ripples spread across the surface, distorting the reflection. Now what do you see? The master asked. The reflection is distorted by the ripples, Kinji observed. Master Hiroshi smiled gently. This pond is like your mind, Kinji. It reflects clarity and peace when it is calm and focused on itself. But when it is disturbed by comparing and measuring against others, it becomes restless and unclear. Kinji listened intently as the master continued. Each person's path is unique, like the journey of a river. Some rivers flow swiftly through rocky terrains, while others meander gently through meadows. Comparing one river to another is futile because each follows its own course. Similarly, your journey is yours alone. You will find contentment by focusing on your own path and growth. The young man pondered these words. He realized that his constant comparison was like the pebbles disturbing the stillness of his mind. He had been so preoccupied with others' lives that he had lost sight of his progress and achievements. Master Hiroshi then asked Kinji to close his eyes and breathe deeply. Imagine a garden, he instructed. This garden is yours to tend. You can choose which flowers to plant and which weeds to pull. If you spend all your time looking at others' gardens, yours will wither. But if you nurture your own garden, it will flourish and bring you joy. Kinji visualized his garden, seeing the vibrant flowers and healthy plants he could cultivate with care and intention. He understood that focusing on his growth and well-being would lead to a more fulfilling life. With a renewed clarity, Kinji thanked Master Hiroshi and returned to his daily life. He practiced mindfulness, paying attention to his thoughts and gently guiding them back when they wandered into comparisons. He set personal goals and celebrated his progress, no matter how small. Over time, Kinji noticed a significant change in his outlook. He felt more content and at peace with himself. His focus on self-improvement and personal growth brought him a deep satisfaction that external achievements never could. He no longer needed to measure his worth against others because he recognized his instinct value. The villagers saw Kinji's transformation inspired by his newfound serenity. They too sought Master Hiroshi's wisdom, and then the village gradually became a community of individuals who supported each other's unique journeys without judgment or envy. The Zen story of Kinji and Master Hiroshi teaches us the invaluable lesson of focusing on ourselves rather than comparing our lives to others. We can find true contentment and peace by cultivating mindfulness, appreciating our unique paths, and nurturing our personal growth. Remember, your journey is yours alone, and by tending to your garden, you will see it bloom in ways you never imagined. Thank you for joining me in this story. If you found this tale inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories of wisdom and self discovery. Please feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, may you find peace and fulfillment on your unique path.